Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. For example, if you have turned on vanish mode on any of the chat you see, first of all I will tell you what does the vanish mode does to your chat on Instagram direct message. When you turn off the chat, you have turned on the vanish mode. All the message you have seen will disappear, which means if you close this chat, then after closing, all the message you have seen will be removed from here. Now if you want to turn off this feature from this chat, then how you gonna do that? For this you have to simply click on the chat, and after that here you will find many options. The second option is as vanish mode. So as you can see, here is written seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. So if you don't want your seen messages to disappear, so you have to simply turn off this feature, which means if you turn off this feature, your all messages will be right back. After that you turn on this feature again. In this way you turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.